Yo YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Just a really quick video today to show you how to get free McDonald's points. This is also going to allow you to get free McDonald's food, and it is super simple using a working McDonald's hack or glitch. And it's going to supply you with pretty much 10,000 free points, which is more than enough, as you can see, to get a ton of free food. So this is going to use a McDonald's promo code that you can enter straight into the app, and it's going to basically give you 10,000 points into your McDonald's rewards account. So let's get into it, guys. You need to use your mobile phone for this, and it is working on iOS and Android because, like I said, this just uses a promo code. So you need to go to this website, www.robotcoupons.com. So spell it like this, guys, robot coupons. Very important you do go to this website here. Go to the search bar and search for McDonald's. You're looking for the McDonald's coupons and deals page. Scroll down, and there's a couple of different McDonald's promo codes that you can choose between. You can get a 9,999 McDonald's rewards points for free. You can also get any meal for free within the McDonald's app. So you just need to select the code you want. And because these codes are limited, you can see your code is protected and you will need to fully unlock it. So tap on unlock code. And I'm not going to bother doing this, guys, simply because I've got enough points and I don't want to waste one of these limited codes. But you're going to see a new screen once that loads up, and it's going to tell you how to unlock your code. If this is your first time visiting Robot Coupons, you will likely need to verify you're a real person. But that's super simple. Follow all of the steps, complete a couple of these like free tasks, and once you've done that, your code will be fully unlocked and you can enter it into the McDonald's app, and it's going to upgrade basically upgrade your balance to 10,000 free rewards points. So that is it. Pretty easy. You just got to go to Robot Coupons and search for the McDonald's page and just follow through all of the steps and instructions you've seen in this tutorial. And that is how to get free McDonald's in 2025. So enjoy, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.